Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation, and in that we are studying topic urinary bladder. Now urinary bladder is basically a hollow extension tube that holds up urine and which can change its shape. Let's study and find out about it today. Urinary bladder. Now urinary bladder is basically hollow extension reservoir that holds up urine, and it changes its shape and size according to the content of urine. It is basically located in your pelvic region just behind the pubic symphysis. Urinary bladder, the bag of the excretion system or the bag which actually holds up urine. Now it's actually hollow, extensible reservoir, or you can say a bag of urine, and it can change its shape and size according to the content of urine that's produced at that point of time. Now urinary bladder is located in the pelvic region just behind the pubic symphysis in human beings. In males, it lies in front of the rectum and seminal vesicles, while in females, it lies anteriorly to the uterus. Now, urinary bladder stores up whatever urine that has been formed in that day. Basically, your kidney does the ultrafiltration process, and after the ultrafiltration process, through passing by the renal tubules, that is your proximal convoluted tubule, your loop of Henle, your distal convoluted tubule, and finally removing all the excess of water, all the salts that are required by the body, whatever waste products are present, that are passed down by the ureter, and they are finally stored into a bag-like container which is termed as urinary bladder. The walls of the urinary bladder are lined by transitional epithelium. So students, in this part of the chapter, we did study about urinary bladder, the bag. I hope students, we all are clear with this concept of urinary bladder. Thank you.